This profit and loss trap appears in every banking and SSC paper. 2. Back-to-back transactions. Students subtract loss from profit percent. The base changes with every transaction. Subtraction is always wrong. Goods bought for rupees 400 sold at 25% profit. Repurchased and sold at 10% loss. Net on rupees 400 or 12.5% profit. B. 15% profit. C. 10% profit. D. 2.5% loss. Your answer? The subtraction trap. Students say 25 minus 10 ski 15% profit. Wrong. The 10% loss applies on rupees 500. Buy rupees 400, sell at 25% profit, rupees 500. Buy back rupees 500, sell at 10% loss, rupees 450. Net equals 50 over 400 or 12.5%. Answer A. Same trap, different costume. 2 watches sold at rupees 990 each. One at 10% profit, other at 10% loss. Overall, A. No profit, no loss. B. 1% loss. C. 1% profit. D. 2% loss. Your answer? CP at 10% profit, 990 over 1.1, rupees 900, then CP at 10% loss, 990 over 0.9, rupees 1100. Total CP equals rupees 2000, then SP equals rupees 1980. Loss equals 1%. Answer B. 2 questions. 1 principle. Percentages of different bases never cancel. Rule. Each transaction on its actual base. Equal percent profit and loss gives net loss equals percent squared over 100. Equal percent transactions cannot cancel. Mathematics prevents it. This type accounts for 1 in 3 marks lost in profit and loss sections.